Welcome back. And today we got a awesome unboxing here we're going to do for you. And let's get right into it. So we have the universal opening device. And let's see. Perfect. This is working flawless. See. All right. Alright. Boom, what do we got there? There we go, the Perth Mint box. Nothing else inside. Oh, there it was. Did you get a little glimpse? First, let's see what this box is about. Put that off to the side. There it is. Well, that's the box at least. This is the first box. Ooh, nice red clamshell. Okay. Oh, it's like a magnet. Okay. That's cool. Yeah, this is the first. Oh, nice. There's a little on the underneath the lid. This is the first actual Lunar box that I've received, because the other ones usually are slabbed and it didn't come with the box, but for some reason they were feeling generous, or APMEX was feeling generous. That's where the coin would go. Okay. You can pause that and read into it. Let's see what serial number 121. That's exactly what I wanted. No, not really, but you can pause that and read that. Focus. Pause. Let's see the mintage. Wow, maximum mintage of these coins is 188. And let's see, the diameter is 27.6, and the thickness is 5 millimeters. So I know there's some people out there that likes they're down with the thickness, or they're down with the thickness. So that might be impressive to some people, how thick the coin is. So we'll put that off. Cool little box presentation, but let's get to, oh yeah. There it is. Let's see if we can focus. Okay. As you can read, focus. Okay. Focus. There. So we have the 2021 Perth Mint $100 PCGS PR70 DCAM Australia Year of the Ox High Relief First Strike. There. I'm intentionally covering up some of the numbers there, because I noticed some people who show slab pieces off on videos, they like to cover the number here, so I'm just doing it because who knows what you you nerd hackers are gonna do if they get the full number. So anyway, we'll put that, there we go. Look at that. Zoom in, focus. Nice. And then we have the PCGS gold label with the Queen Elizabeth. $100 face value. Four nines. 1 ounce AU. Now let's look at the Lunar Ox again. Get another look here. What a beautiful coin here. This is let's see, 188 minted. This is exclusive of APMEX, and I went on their website and they said that they only have, out of 188, there's only 25 that's been graded at a perfect 70, for whatever that means. I mean, theoretically, I think all coins and mints, or coins and bullions, should be perfect 70s, you'd think. Let's get closer. Let's see some specs. Okay, that wipes off. So this was supposed to be a, there's only like I say, APMEX only has, this is APMEX exclusive, and so they only had 25 that's a perfect 70 grade. Very low population. Really nice looking design, especially with a bowl. Looks like it's very muscular and looking up. So it's gonna be a bull market. Because this is the year of the metal ox, or the metal bull. So is the metals going to be going up? Is the metals going to have a bear market in 2021? Well, we will find out. As you can see, the nice mirror finish on the field with the bamboo stalks, and then the ox letter in Chinese. But yeah, really well struck coin. And there you have it. The 2021 Year of the Ox, Lunar Ox from Perth Mint. And may you all have a fantastic Lunar New Year and a prosperous and healthy 2021. Until next time. Have a great day.